Transnistria. What is Transnistria? If you look onto the map of Moldova, as you can see on the upper right corner, the shaded area reveals what? It reveals a region which is unrecognized. However, it does have a de facto independent presidential republic status, but this is a part of Moldova. Now, this Transnistria is a region that lies between Dniester river and the Moldova-Ukraine border, and this is where the land controls the other side of the river bank. The capital and the largest city of Transnistria is Tiraspol, and this is the area which is further divided into 5 districts, one major capital city which is the Tiraspol, and this is a region which has its own currency, it has its own vehicle registration, police, postal systems, parliament, it has adopted its own constitution, flag, national anthem and so on. The most important thing is, after the 2005 agreement that occurred between Moldova and Ukraine, all Transnistrian companies that aim to establish themselves in the region would have to export through the Ukraine border, and they must be registered with Moldova. So that's the major clause. Again, there has been 5+2 talks. Now 5+2 talks is what? It is Transnistria, which is the part of Moldova, the disputed region of Moldova. So Transnistria, Moldova, the bordering region which is Ukraine, then you have the role of Russia, the Organizations for Security and Cooperation in Europe, United States and European Union, which are external observers. So United States and European Union are external observers, but this negotiation started in 2005 and the idea was to deal with the problems. However, it could not come up with any solutions, it was suspended. In 2011, it started again at Vienna, and this 5+2 rounds again was into news. However, Transnistria recently is in news because of the disturbances in the regions of Ukraine. It is believed that with rising disturbance of the regions of Ukraine, Moldova, which is a small country lying adjacent to Ukraine, has again a disputed land which is Transnistria, and this could create problems with Moldova as well. However, Moldova is a member of NATO. So there are many things that we need to focus on to understand this Russia-Ukraine crisis. We have already covered a series of lectures where we have discussed a lot of issues related to Ukraine-Russian crisis, the geography, economy of Ukraine, which is exceptionally important for this year, and the related topics. So stay tuned for further updates from our side. Have a wonderful day ahead.